Question 16. The researchers are not satisfied with the confidence interval and want to do another study to find a shorter confidence interval. What should they change to ensure they find a shorter confidence interval? Confidence level is associated with area. Okay, so if you have a bigger area, this is a 95 confidence level. So if you have a bigger area, that means that your confidence interval will be bigger. If you have a smaller confidence level, that means that your confidence interval will be shorter. Okay, so what they want is a shorter confidence interval, which means they need to decrease their confidence level. Now, A says, should they increase their confidence level? If they do that, then they're going to not make the confidence interval shorter. That's actually going to make it wider. Should they make their sample more random? Well, it should be random to begin with. Should they make their sample less random? No, that is never the answer. If that is ever an option in this test, do not pick that one. You should never make it less random. Okay, your sample should always be random. But for this case, if they want a shorter confidence interval, well, what they need to do is decrease their confidence level.